Hello, cherry viewers. Welcome back to Sandy Home Recipe. Mama call about Sandy Home Recipe. Sinde di kan a share my video. Remember to subscribe. The best say be granola bar. All ingredients are written in the description box below. Yes, start. Be use 1 cup raw oats. Yeah, use half cup oats. 1 tablespoon oat flour. 1 mixing it together. We are now there see in chain. Ode 1/3 cup raisin egwade mu. 1/3 cup cranberries. 1/3 cup almond seed. 1 tablespoon dry strawberries. 1 mixing. Na no so dey see in chain. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. May the good Lord bless you all. Ode half cup honey egwade fufuru mu. 1/3 cup coconut oil. 1 teaspoon vanilla. 1 mixing it together. We are now oats na missing channel. O de agumi oats na conflict kakra eden ewo mu. Now they will dry we no seed no so eden egu mu. 1 mixing it together. O me si we pe na da poku prepare baking pan mu. Please, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and also click the bell icon to get new video I will post. Oh, you are not when me aso. We're baking 180 degrees for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, no, now we're here oven. No one manajo, and son wet to try, and wet to try. Near open and I then obey. Me match se di kan a wo hwe me video a memma ring subscribe na wa share na wa like we me notification bell no se me di video bia beto a unsa beka me yewe na me taste and it tastes really nice. You will love it if you give it a try. Now this is our healthy granola bar. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.